All right, today I have Garden of Life grass-fed collagen peptides, which I'm going to be trying out today. Now, this is just one of the many collagen brands that are out there on the market, and I just happened to try this one out right here. So this is Collagen Peptides. It has about 20 grams of collagen per serving, and it comes with type 1 and type 3 collagen, and it says probiotics in there. Now, I'm kind of interested how they have probiotics in here, and I'll read the side of it to see about that. So this is unflavored, comes with 14 servings. It says it's good for hair, skin, nails, and joints. Now on the side, it talks about what it has in here. It says it's bovine hide collagen peptides, of course, and it has lactobacillus, I don't know how to say that. It has probiotics right here. So it's I'm not going to even say it. Okay. So it has probiotics in here. It's in the dried form, of course. So I guess they're activated once they get moisturized, I guess. So it says right here, it says the probiotics, it has 1.5 billion CFU. I don't know whether I should say wow or that's not enough, because I don't know what that means when it has 1.5 billion CFU, if that's normal, but it says there's about 10 milligrams of it per serving. All right. And of course, there is an expiration date on the side. It says used best by, for this particular bottle, by the 14th of 2024, which happens to be some sort of holiday. I don't know what comes on the 14th of February. Maybe you do. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. The Garden of Life. Now let's see about the servings. Now the serving size is 1 scoop. With 1 scoop, you're going to get 20 grams of collagen peptides, and there's 14 of this. And the directions say, it says packaged by weight. The directions say mix 1 to 2 scoops in an 8-ounce liquid. 8 ounces of liquid. Okay, scoop is included inside of here, not intended for children. Now, there's some other factors on here. They have cautionary tale right here that you should probably read, that you should read before using this. Some warnings on this, and you should always consult your physician before trying any product whatsoever there is. Maybe they have a different recommendation. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Comes with a sealed for your protection, seal at the top. I'm going to go ahead and crack this open right here and open this up. All right, get rid of that. And so there's a scoop in there. If you can see, there's something poking out right here. I believe that's a scoop. If you have a unused dry spoon, it might be useful as to fishing out the scoop, getting it up so you can use it. All right, so I fished it out, and I'm going to go ahead and this is the scoop right here. Now it says 1 scoop is a serving. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get 1 scoop, level it off a little bit, make sure it's in there. So I have 1, maybe a little bit more, and then level it off. Now it's a fine powder, so you should be aware that it can be dusty a little bit because it is a fine powder. So I have 1 scoop of the collagen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it inside of this 8 ounces of water right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it in there. You probably want to pour it close. You can see it's dusting a little bit. Looks like a fine mist. And I'm going to go ahead and put the scoop back where it's supposed to be, inside of the collagen container. Make sure it's secure tight, because sometimes I can get clumsy and things go astray. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I screwed the top back on. All right, and what I'm going to do now is just observe what's going on right here. You can see the collagen right here is actually, it's being absorbed and is sinking down there. And there's like looks at the bottom that it's accumulating at the bottom. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to go ahead and spin it a little bit. And it becomes a cloudy mixture of some sort. and it looks like there are some chunks at the bottom. Just going to keep on stirring it right here. All right, so it's stirred. So this is the unflavored version of this product right here. So it's stirred right here, and I'm going to go ahead and try out the Garden of Life collagen. All right, so this is grass-fed collagen peptides, and it has probiotics, which, of course, that's all the big rage right now, to get probiotics, more probiotics, good bacteria in your system. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. So here it is right here. This is the Garden of Life grass-fed collagen peptides. All right, so it looks like it's foaming. I'm going to stir it just a little bit. It looks like it's starting to foam up a little bit at the top. Not necessarily foam. That wasn't the greatest use of trying to explain it, but I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and try this right here. All right, so it's unflavored, so I'm getting it in its rawest form possible. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try this. It's flavorless, okay? Hence, it says unflavored. Is it the best tasting thing? I wouldn't say that, but you're not getting all of those crazy flavors that some of these companies try to flavor their products with in order for you to drink it. So if you don't like all those flavors, this might be for you. I'll go ahead and finish this off. Now, it wasn't the most pleasant tasting. And what I've heard is some people tried to mix this product inside of their coffee, and you pretty much cannot taste the collagen peptides when it's in the coffee, especially after you add flavoring like creamer or sugar to your coffee. You really can't taste it. And so some people try to take this in the morning time. But overall, it wasn't bad, but when you think about what you're doing, like what is this for? It's good for the joints, good for the nails, skin, and hair. You kind of put the taste to the back burner. And that's what a lot of people try to do, is just like they know that it is what it is. It's unflavored collagen. They're not looking at this as a dessert or anything. Some people try to make a meal out of this by putting it in certain dishes or certain shakes or smoothies or whatever and drinking it. And this is unflavored would probably be the flavored, the unflavored, the type that you would probably want to put in some of those types of beverages. But overall, it wasn't too bad. It went down relatively easy. That is the Garden of Life grass-fed collagen peptides. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.